this UEFN tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set up a door that is locked and needs a specific item to open. So we're going to be doing this with something called a conditional button device. So type that into your content browser. And we're also going to need something called a lock device. There we go. Let's grab in a door that we want. Door generic. Perfect. This will do for our tutorial's purpose. Inside of this lock device, we're going to need to change some settings. Firstly, move this lock onto the door. You'll know that it's connected because it will change from red to blue. So these some settings in here that don't need to be changed. It's personal preference, but these stay the same. We're going to disable visible during game though. So inside of this lock device, we're going to connect the unlock function to conditional button on activated. We are also going to connect the open function to the conditional buttons on activated. The reason why I'm doing this, including the open function, is because sometimes when you unlock the door, it unlocks it, but you have to sprint into it to open it. This is just bypassing that. It's not a bug that's our fault. It's just a little Fortnite bug. This might be fixed by the time you're watching this video, but just in case it isn't, we're preventing this. Now what we need to do is inside of this conditional button to add in whatever we want the player to put into this door in order for it to unlock it. So for example, we need to go to key item 1 and choose whichever we like. For example, I put an acorn in here. There's some other settings you can change. For example, if you only want specific teams to be able to do this, we're gonna just put this on all. It's already on all, we don't need to change that. But show key item, you can change this. Visible during game, you might want to change that to hologram only, but again, it's your choice. You can put this into the wall, but be careful, if you put it too far in the wall, you won't be able to use it. If you want this to have more than one key item, you change number of key item slots to 2, which is down here. Then, for example, I need an acorn and an airstrike. It's an odd combination, but that's how you would set up needing more than one in order to activate this. They would have to put in an acorn and a airstrike to open this lock device. This video was helpful to you. Use credit code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you're an absolute beginner, I have a link in the description that will help absolute beginners to get creating their first Fortnite maps.